Today it's gonna be like a two-part video. I'm gonna be reviewing the Tusk bearing race and seal driver kit. I need to replace my wheel bearings on my 2018 Husqvarna TE 300. I'm gonna be doing the rear. This is what the kit looks like. All right, basically all you need to do is you want to make sure you start with your rotor side, because it has snap ring put in place, and put that side in first. That way when you flip it over, it'll hold your retainer tube in there. No problem. All right, now that I get the right size driver ready for the installation, it's a if you're curious, this one is a 44.5 millimeter driver set, and fits the bearing just like that. Just close enough where you'll be able to get this out. Probably good there. All right, take this down. Just need to take your bearing, square it up best you can in there. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hammer it down just like that. Hit the top over the hammer. Seals in. That thing works pretty good. It literally only took like 4 hits. That heat will get you a long way. I'm gonna let this cool, and we'll be back. Get the snap ring in. I put a brand new one in there. So once you get the snap ring in, just lightly tap, make sure it's all the way seated. Which it is. Looks good. Then after you get the snap ring in, get your seal ring, put a little grease in it.
Around it, I gotta be pretty.
Normally going pretty easy.
Yeah, light tap.
Make sure it's good and flush. So it needs a little bit right there. I like it. That side's pretty much done. The next step would be putting your wheel spacer in. I'll show you. I'm not going to right now. The next step would be that right there. That's a good bearing. All right, we're doing the other side now. I'm putting a new retainer spacer in there. You guys don't have to, but that stimulus check got me and Mom doing all right now. So we're going to go ahead and put a new one in. So drop your retainer tube in. You got this spacer here you want to put before the bearing on the other side here. Just light peck it in until it hits solid. Pretty good. I like it. Okay, then we're gonna get some heat again. Heat up the hub.
Keep the hub up, got knuckle back. Okay, you can go up down square. Get your bearing in.
Yep. Get it square as best you can. If not, you'll be buying a new one, waiting on the next stimulus check. Line up. Let's tap it.
sit in there and tap it in. Crack that plastic ring with the spacer we just put in there. Look it over, make sure it looks good to the eye.
Part's done. The next step would be re-greasing your seal ring. It's already done on the inside there. I'll put some in the middle there.
As I've seen per another YouTuber. It gotta be pretty. Hope Jay Chomp helped us out this time around. Old Dad's putting new parts on.
Drop it in there like old times.
It's pretty good. So basically,
Is done. The only thing left to do would be put your wheel spacers in. I'm putting new ones in. Like I said, that stimulus check really helped me and Mom out. So, looks like we're going racing next week. I'm gonna do the same for the other. I'm gonna seat this one a little farther. Got the other new one in. I'd recommend keeping all your old parts in case this virus never hits again. Seat's in there just like that. Wheel spacer. That wheel's done. Right now we're waiting on the mailman to bring in my rear rotor and your rear. I'm putting another rear sprocket on it. Here's the rear sprocket it came off of. That's 3 race seasons. I'd recommend the OEM. It's got minimal wear. Stay tuned, and hopefully I can rebuild my master cylinder for you guys without the right tools. So that ought to work good. We'll check back in a little bit.